Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So in this video we're going to deal with these two variables, days and calendar days. So this will be the total days in game, and this isn't going to affect the calendar, this variable. This is just here for those of you that are making games that are meant to be played over a long period of time. You may want this, you may not. But we definitely have to deal with calendar days. So this is the day within the month. So let's come down and we're going to come to this part here. And first of all, let's come just below the days counter and we'll create a new void, and let's call this update calendar day. Yeah, we'll say days and just fix that typo there. So there's our naming convention. We'll open and close brackets, we'll open and close it again. And let's just copy in one of the debug logs as always and just switch out the naming convention here. Okay, with that in place, let's come to the days counter function. And this gets called obviously once per day when we need to increase the day counter. And we'll also call this function now update calendar days. We'll open and close the line off, and we'll get this into the comments. So we'll say call, and yeah, let's just copy in that naming convention, call update calendar days function, and we'll come inside this new void now, and what we'll say is underscore calendar days, and plus will close the line off. And let's get this into the comments. Increase, we want calendar days. Now we don't have to worry about this constantly increasing and about it resetting. We'll do that later on. But for now, in this function, we just need to increase the counter. And what we'll do is call the update calendar month function, which we created in a previous video here. Again, we'll open and close, we'll close the line off into the comments. So call update calendar, and we'll just change that to month function. So let's have a look at all this. So the hours, if the hours equals 24, then we call the day counter once. We increase the number of days, underscore days. So this is just a constant count that will keep going up to count the number of days in game. But then we also call just once the update calendar days function. We increase the calendar day, and then we call the update calendar month function. Now I'm going to do this one in a separate video, update calendar month, because it is going to be extremely long to actually fill out this void. So we'll leave that for a separate video, and we'll just get some other things in place for now. And like I said, please don't worry about this constantly increasing. We'll work on resetting the calendar days when need be, when switching from one month to another at a much later date. So let's come inside the year counter and we'll get this set up as well. So underscore years, and again we'll say plus and we'll close the line off. Now again, this function is not being called at the moment, but it will be called when we come out to fill out this void. So let's get this into the comments. So again, we'll say increase years. And we'll come below here. We also need to increase the leap year counter. So again, plus plus, close the line off, increase leap years. And we'll come below here. And then we'll have a little if block. So we'll say if open brackets. And we want the leap year counter is greater than 4. And we'll close the bracket. Let's get this into the comments. If leap year counter is greater than 4, we'll come to the next line and we'll set the leap year counter to 1. And we'll close the line off into the comments. Then make leap year counter equal to 1. And we'll just save that off there. So we've got the main bulk of the code in place that's going to handle the calendar in terms of the day and the years and the leap years as well. Like I said, the big one is going to be filling out this void here. We're going to have an if block for each month, and that's because we're using the actual naming conventions rather than just using a number. But I wanted to do this because I want to use the names. And hopefully by the time this series has finished, if you want to go back and just change the month to a numerical value, I would hope that you would feel confident enough to be able to do that. But as always, if not, please, always leave a comment below or private message me, and I'll be happy to do like a update video for those people who want me to go over how to implement that. But for now, we're going to use the names, and it just makes filling out this function a lot more complicated. But this is just a quick video to get all the other bits around it finished, and then in the next lesson, that is exactly where we'll pick up. So as I said, I think we'll leave it here for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you next time, and until then, as always, bye for now.